Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I am in my my head wrap. Words are not coming out. This week, we're going to be doing a weekly vlog. So I'm going to take you guys with me around my day, my week, every single day, so you can see what I get up to. So it is Monday morning. I haven't just woken up. I woke up ages ago. I've been doing a few things. I was looking for a camera lens because my camera, the one that I was gifted, the 7D, the only lens that I have for it at the present time that I purchased was a 50mm. Those of you who know cameras know that that is really close. I tried to film on it and literally it was like this. This is how it was, and I was like literally this far away. So yeah, I need to get a new lens. That's why the quality of this is not as good as my other videos, because this is my OG camera, the first ever camera that I got. And I got this one 3 or 4 years ago, 3 years ago. So, you know, it was a budget sort of camera. It was pretty good. I spent a bit of cash on it, but it's not any 7D material or anything like that. Really bad of me. I've started doing other things before I even began to read my Bible, and I'm ashamed of myself. I know. The first thing that you should do when you wake up is read your Bible, but I'm going to start doing that now. Finish reading Numbers. Breakfast. I should be at uni right now, but I'm boycotting my anatomy. I'll explain that later, but pretty much I decided not to go because I'm boycotting. Thought I would explain what I meant about me boycotting my uni. So essentially, I'm boycotting the class because I meant to start the class today, but my lecturer, the unit conveyor for that class, I've been having correspondences with him back and forth regarding my timetables, because I have some timetable clashes and I can't activate my timetable to see my classes if there's clashes, so he needs to log in and override it, and he hasn't done it, and I've been in correspondence with him for the past like 2 weeks. I actually sent some very passive aggressive messages last week on Thursday regarding the matter. Never replied. So I didn't go in today because I know he's the one that's going to be running the class. So obviously he's going to see that I'm not there. Hopefully let him send him a lesson. No. So I'll send another email today and I'll just be like, mate.
Yes, the Lord said that it will make tassels are like these, they're like ribbons. Is that what you mean? What are they?
Yes.
They're
Thank you,
like
teacher.
ribbons. Search them on Google Images.
Oh, tassels.
Mm.
Ah, you mean tassels. You know, the way you were saying it was if it's like tassels, like as in the foot, like tassels, metatarsals.
Are you making fun of my accent?
No.
Do you not like my African pronunciation? You must be.
see, I've got some cornrows happening. Just makes my life a lot easier to do uni and stuff. My natural hair, I need to put it away. It's raining all the time in Melbourne. I just keep a stash of like extensions because I want to do box braids on my hair soon. I just have not been able to find the time to do that. But it's like 9 o'clock. I need to have dinner. I've pretty much printed everything that I needed to print for uni. I will be going tomorrow regardless of the fact that my lecturer has not replied me. I'm gonna check him tomorrow. We definitely have to have a conversation regarding this matter. That is Monday done. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go to sleep. I have a busy day tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, afternoon, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's Tuesday. I'm just leaving to go to uni. As per usual, I'm late, even though I have been up since like 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm late. I'm meant to be in class right now, but I only just got to uni. I nearly got rear-ended, and I nearly rear-ended someone else because this huge truck decided to merge into the far right lane, and all these cars merged in at the same time, and then all these trucks, because on my way to uni I meet so many trucks, because I go into the city then out of the city. So once I get out of the city, there's all these trucks. So these trucks merged in, and then this one truck, huge truck, I don't even know what he was thinking, merged into the far right lane, and all the cars in front had to stop. And then the car in front of me like moved to the right, like just quickly went to the right, and I was like out of the lane, and I was like, what the heck? So I did the same thing, and then the car behind me did the same thing, which was this huge Jeep. And then I see behind me that behind the Jeep there's this big truck. So if none of us had moved, we all would have hit into one another essentially, because I was going too fast to stop. The car behind me was like on my tail practically, and he had a truck behind him. We all know trucks take forever to brake. Like, what the heck, man? Oh, I actually had to I called my dad straight after it happened because I was so shook. Anyway, let me give you guys some words of advice. When you reach that point in your degree where you decide whether you want to do 2 majors or a major and minors, think about it thoroughly. Don't just jump on something. Think about it, do some research, ask questions, because 2 majors are hard, man. They're so hard. I'm feeling it. It's Wednesday. Sorry there was no formal sort of... I just didn't film anything this morning. It's like 1 o'clock actually. I just came from my from one of my labs, and the one with the teacher that never replied me. Yeah, so I spoke to the lady there, the lady who runs the lab, and she was so sweet, and she's like, oh, I'll send him an email and it's flagged. I just told her the whole thing, and I woke up this morning so angry. I don't even know what I dreamt of, but I woke up That's why I didn't film anything this morning, because I woke up this morning in my feelings. I was really in my feelings this morning. Maybe I dreamt about my lecturer and he still hadn't replied me, and I woke up and I was mad, vexed, and I was like, yeah, I need to speak to him today. But yeah, anyway, it's like 1 p.m. It's hot in this car. It's 1 p.m. I'm gonna go to drive to McDonald's and buy myself something, because McDonald's is just like a 2-3 minute drive from my uni. I don't usually do this. This is the first time I've ever done it, but we had salsa for dinner yesterday, so there was no rice or anything for me to take to uni to have for lunch, and I couldn't make myself anything because I just didn't want to. Oh gosh. I haven't had an afro in such a long time. You're looking a bit off there, my guy. You're looking a bit off. So it's like 1 p.m. Haven't had breakfast, but I've done a lot of other things. I think I need to have like a banana or something after I finish shooting. So I'm just getting ready to shoot my video for this week. This will come out after this video. So this is my setup for my shooting, and the infamous chair. So this is my current setup. So I do use daylight. There's a huge window here, but I just don't like the inconsistency in what's it called, light. And this is what I see myself in. So if you guys see me looking to the side a lot, this is the reason why that I look to the side. So I'm just about to begin shooting, and yeah. Hi guys. Story of my life. I knew I should have charged my battery last night, but I was like, nah, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. As soon as I start shooting, it stops.
Unless you die, you cannot continue to sin. You cannot drink the cup of the demons and from the cup of the Lord, the same table. It's impossible. And that is why we're suffering right now. The Church of Christ is suffering because the message is not proclaimed in truth. It's on grace. Like